Hi, today we're going to learn how to make balisong smoothies. The ingredients you're going to need: one balisong. We're going to need some English muffins, sweet corn, some blueberries, and some water. Flyers cup because everyone else sucks. You have your Hamilton Beach 10-speed blender. Okay, put this over here. Pull this out. I don't fucking know how to use it. It's the shortest fucking cord I've ever seen. So we just... Is that it? Okay, so it's off. So you open it up. Blender goes in. It's one of those. Got a handful of blueberries. Try and get them all over the floor because that is what women like. Take your corn. Put corn in there. And finally, you get one of your English muffins. Now you can add cream cheese if you want. I'm not going to, I'm just gonna put that in there. You take your water and you do that. Forgot the most important step. Half and half. Let me just get that in there. Just like that. Safety first, put it back in the fridge. Okay. Take your lid, back on. Let's do smoothie. It's having a hard time. Let's see. Let's see that consistent. Smells like fire. Let's maybe do it. We unplug, safety first. Let's see what kind of smoothie we got. 1 second. Ooh, big chunks in there. Tastes like D2 tool steel. And there we go. That's how you make a balisong smoothie.